Hello guys, hope you are doing well. How are you all? This is question number 6. In this series, we are going to solve signal and system previous year gate question from 1992 to 2000. If you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and share with your friend. In this series, I am going to cover all the question of signal and system. This is question. What is given in the question? What is the RMS value? We have to find the RMS value of voltage waveform. We have given voltage waveform versus time. This question came in 2002, asked by IISc Bangalore. This is very easy question. This question can be solved by various method. If you want any trick regarding this question, please do comment. Otherwise, I am going to solve by basic method. What is basic method? Let's get started. Basically, first of all, if you want to find RMS value, we have to find RMS value. RMS value is nothing but under root of average value. If we can find average value, take under root. This will be RMS value. Understood? How to find average value? Average value formula is nothing but 1 upon T naught, where T naught is fundamental time period. We have to integrate over one fundamental time period over one cycle. V of T square dt. We have given signal Vt, voltage versus time. Therefore, we are taking Vt. Understood? If it is current, then in place of Vt, we have to substitute It. Understood this? This is the basic formula. Where T naught is fundamental time period. Fundamental time period. Understood? What is fundamental time period? Here, let me highlight. We have to consider this cycle, and up to pi, this will be one cycle. After pi, this cycle is repeated. Therefore, we can take from 0 to pi. Understood? This is one fundamental time period. We can say T naught will be equals to pi. Understood? So we can substitute T naught will be equals to pi. We have to integrate over one fundamental time period from 0 to pi by 3. We have to integrate from 0 to pi mod of Vt square. Here it will be mod of, let me write once again. Here it will be mod of Vt square dt. Understood? Let me solve further. It will be 1 by pi from 0 to pi by 3. Vt value will be 100, and from pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3 it will be minus 100, and from 2 pi by 3 to pi it will be 100. Understood? How I am telling about this will be 100, I am highlighting, and this value is 100, and this value is 100. We have to take Vt value. Understood? We can write it down. From first will be 0 to pi by 3. 0 to pi by 3. Vt value is 100. We have to square it dt. And next is from pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3. Vt value will be minus 100 square dt. Next will be from 2 pi by 3 to pi. Vt value is 100 square dt. Let me close the bracket. We have to further simplify. It is very simple. It will be 1 upon pi. 100 square will be constant. 100 square will be constant. We can take it out of the integration. Integration of dt. Let me write all the steps. integration of dt. Here it will be minus 100 square. Here it will be pi by 3 to 2 pi by 3 integration of dt, and here it will be 2 pi by 3 to pi. Here we have also to take 100 square common and dt. Understood? It will be, we have to further simplify. 100 square dt integration will be t. We have to put lower limit 0 and upper limit pi by 3, and here it will be minus 100 square, and dt integration will be t. We have to substitute lower limit pi by 3 and upper limit pi by 2 pi by 3, and here it will be same because dt integration will be t. We know that we have to integrate from 2 pi by 3 to pi. Understood this all of you? And we have to further simplify. It will be 1 upon pi. Here it will be 100 square pi by 3. Understood? And minus 100 square will be same as 100 square. It will be 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 3. We have to substitute lower limit and upper limit, and here it will be 100 square pi minus 2 pi by 3. Substituting the lower limit and upper limit, we can further simplify. 100 square pi by 3. Here it will be same 100 square pi by 3, and here will be same also. It will be 100 square pi by 3. We can further simplify. It will be 1 upon pi 3 times 100 square pi by 3. All of you have understood? We can cancel out 3 from numerator as well as denominator, and we can cancel out pi from numerator as well as denominator. What we get? We get 100 square. We know average value will be 100 square, but in question we have to find RMS value. What I told, RMS value we know RMS value is nothing but under root of average value. All of you studied this formula. We have to substitute average value. We know that average value will be 100 square. It will be further, our answer will be RMS value will be equals to 100. Let me highlight this. This is our answer. We have find our RMS value. Let me check which option is the correct. Option A incorrect. Option B is also incorrect. Option C is also incorrect. Option D, option Delhi is the correct answer. Hope this clear to all. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Otherwise, I will end this lecture here. Bye bye.